Here we are, second job for the day. It's about 2:30. I've got the utility truck on the way to the dump. Saved the 1x4s and 2x4s for concrete time. Everything picked up, ready for material sample and selections. We got some more plumbing to do later on in the week to move the equipment line. It's cool, keeping it hydrated. It's Gunited on Saturday. That sunken bar area. Yeah, they got the sunken bar and fire pit in here or what?
No fire pit.
Sunken bar.
But it's gonna have
It's a dry bar there, but you got a wet bar stool.
Yep.
There's the equipment there, but it's gonna get moved underneath the deck. There's the shell. Pretty damn cool. Nice design, huh? Whoever designed this thing must be a genius.
Yeah.
Huh? There's the wall there. Gonna use precast coping. And there's the old man, still working like he's young.